Good morning, student. Once again, welcome you in class 11th. Business subject business studies, topic nature and significance of the management. No, in previous chapter we study about the characteristic of a business and a characteristic of a coordination, meaning of coordination. We study about now. We are going to study about importance of coordination. Coordination. Coordination is a balance and keeping together the team by ensuring suitable allocation tasks to various members and seeing that the tasks are performed with harmony among them members. Now, importance of the coordination. Coordination is important as it integrates the effort of individuals, department and specialist. The primary reason for coordination is that department and individual in the organization are interdependent. For an example, they depend on each other for information and resources, perform their respective activity. Because individual, all the people are not independent. All the department in a particular sector, they interdepend to each other. All the tasks cannot perform a single department. So, different department interdepend to each other. Now, thus manager need to reconcile the different approach, timing, effort and interest. At the same time, there is a need to harmonize individual goal and organization goals. Now, first, first point, growth in size. Growth in size as the organization grow in size. With the help of coordination, an organization can be grow in a size. The number of people employed by the organization also increase. At the time, it may become a difficult to integrate their effort and activity. But all the individuals differ in their habits of work, background, approach to the situation and relationship with others. So it becomes necessary to ensure that all the individual work toward the common goal of the organization to achieve their objective. So coordination it is very important. It's play a key role in to growth in size of the organizations. So therefore organization efficiency it is important for harmonious individual goals and organizational through the coordination. Without coordination cannot be organization success either to achieve their objective in prescribed period. Now second point. Now second, functional differentiate. Function of an organization divide into different departments, division sections. In an organization there be separate departments. Each organization has their separate department. For an example, we take up example for a school. So there is account department, computer department, physics department, chemistry department, bio department, examination department, stationery department. So there are so many departments and the all together work for the achieve organizational goal. So there are functional departments divided organization. All these departments have their own objective. For an example, once again, police and their own style working. Example, the marketing department objective may be to lead increasing their sales by 10% by offering discount, but the finance department not approve such a discount as the means loss of revenue. This kind of conflict arises organization because each unit department is perform their activity in isolation from other barriers between the department are becoming more rigid. So different departments have to work according to their efficiency to achieve their objective, but the common goal of the organization is get together all the departments to achieve this task. Now next, specialization. Specializations. Modern organizations are characteristic by the high degree of specialization. Means in the working of an institution, there is need of high qualified people with a degree, specialization degree in their in for the particular job. Specialization arise but out of the complexity of modern technology and diverse tasks to be performed. To perform diverse activities, so need to be a special degree in their particular sector task to be performed. And organizational therefore need to be employed as a number, and specialized usually think that they are only are qualified or are judged, and they decided to according their professional criteria. They do not take the advice suggestions. Specialization means usually think either assume that they only are qualified, evaluate and judge and decided according to their professional criteria. They do not take advice or suggestion from the other matter pertaining of their area specialization. These often lead to the conflict among the different specialization as well as other in the organization. So they can take any decision related their departments. No need to just take advice or the suggestion from the other sources. Therefore, some ordination is required by interdependent person and recognized by differences approach, interest and opinion of the specialist. Now, importance of coordination. We study about growth in size, functional department work together, and specialization people to work need to special qualified person to perform their different tasks. Now, management in the 21st century. Okay, as you read in this chapter, organization and its management are the changing in boundary between the culture and nation get blurred, and new communication technology, different department make its work either effort to achieve their organizational goals and make it possible think the world as the global village, and the such scope international and intellectual the modern organization, global organization that has to manage in the global perspective. Now this chapter we have completed. Now question answer you have to do. Okay, question number first you have to solve with the help of your book. What is the importance of coordination? What is the importance of coordination? Second, what are the function or characteristics of coordination? What are the function of management? Right. Different level of department. What is the importance of management? Question number 6. What are objectives of management? 7, last question. Write the characteristics of management. Okay, you have to try to solve out about these questions with the help of your book, and write down in your copy and click photo and send me on this number. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.